For the last portion of your project, you are going to use Microsoft Power View to create a visualization dashboard of your data. Now, Power View is a Microsoft Excel add-in, much like Power Pivot. By default, it is not active in Excel. So our first step will be to turn Power View on. We're going to click the File tab, which will take us backstage. We're going to click Options. We're going to click Add-ins. We're going to go down to the Manage Add-ins dropdown and select COM Add-ins and click Go. From there, we're going to select Microsoft Power View and click OK. Now, at this point, you would hope that Power View would appear in the ribbon like Power Pivot did. However, what you'll see is that in Excel 2016, Power View doesn't appear in the ribbon by default, even when the add-in is activated. If you used prior versions of Excel, this was not the case. However, that was removed from the program to make space for another program that you can use with Excel called Microsoft Power BI Desktop, which shows up right here. Now, just because Microsoft wants you to use Power BI Desktop to create visualizations, it doesn't mean that you can't still use Power View in Excel. You simply have to add the Power View tab to the ribbon manually. Basically create a custom Power View ribbon tab. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to click the File tab. We're going to go to Options. We're going to click Customize Ribbon. And then on the right-hand side, where you'll see Customize the Ribbon, we're going to click Add New Tab. Now, just like with any customization to the ribbon, you can click the tab and then rename it. So let's call this Power View. And you know that if you have a tab in the ribbon, by default, you have to have a group. So we'll click that group and we'll rename that Power View as well. So now our next step will be to actually add the Power View tool to the actual ribbon tab that we've just created. So on the left-hand side, we're going to click the drop-down menu under Choose Commands From and choose All Tabs. Now it's going to take a second, but we need to click under Power View, click Insert, and right there you'll see Power View. We're going to go ahead and add that to the ribbon. Perfect. Now that will show up in our custom tab. So we're going to click OK. And you'll see now we have a new tab called Power View. You're now ready to create your visualizations.